One of the cool things that you can do with a VOO drop that is impossible to do with just about every other solution you could come up with to create a background for yourself is that you can actually hang your VOO drop on the wall. Remember, because they're such a thin profile, just 3/4 of an inch, if you hang this thing on the wall, it basically just disappears and it can look like a work of art. We've got several people who actually have done a beautiful scene on the back or something kind of fun to put on their wall when they're not in work mode, so they don't have to look at their company logo, and it looks great. It's a really, really simple process. So you'll get a little wall mount that goes like this. You put a screw through that right into the wall using a wall anchor, or if you're really brave, you can go find a stud, I guess. And here's what you do. If it doesn't quite go square the way you want it to go, you can just shift it down a little bit. And you've got a wall-mounted VOO drop. Doesn't get a lot simpler than that.